when it comes to doing my own hair, I would like to compare myself to Arrogante. Hey friend, it's your girl Kia and I'm back at it again with another video, and this unit is from UNiceHair. She is a 24-inch 13x4 HD lace unit. And I like to save my hairstyles like half up, half down for when I have units with HD lace, because it definitely makes the hairstyle pop. So I'm gonna part out a small U portion, and this is gonna be the half up. I still do want the side, like the front sides, to be down, so we're literally only doing the top part of the wig. That's because I want a lot of volume on the side, and I'm just going for a certain kind of look. Hey loves, so we're back with another video. Here's the inside of our wig, and let's try her on since we did style her already. I look so bland in the face and I'm over it, but I'm going out later. I'm always looking this way because my mirror is right here, if you didn't know. By the way, ooh, hold on now. I pulled her up to the right spot. Wait, this is actually kind of cute. And usually really big hair I'm not a fan of. I don't know why. I used to be really into it, especially like high school key. Girl, that used to be my thing. Okay, I guess she ain't to it. Let me cut the lace. Lace is cut. I don't have, ouch, I'm not doing the ball cap method. I never do the ball cap method unless like I absolutely have to. But girl, I feel like the ball cap method, you waste you waste so many wig caps. It's ridiculous. And I like to have the same wig cap on for like 2-3 weeks. So, and this lace blends in so good. Look at that. But one thing about not doing the ball cap method is certain styles you can kind of see like that. You get what I'm saying? You know what I mean? That girl off TikTok. But like, look at what too tight wig caps do to your forehead. I'm just hopping from subject to subject, but my forehead is like bruised from it. But I'm going to just install the wig like I always do. Girl, why do these people got 50% off flights for the month of, what month is this? July? I think that's the month. I don't know, 50% off for 50 days though. What the hell? I've never heard of nothing like that. It's the hair for me. It's giving. And free spray is a lot faster. But I find that if your wig isn't a snug fit, that this is not gonna help you. So, oh, that's cold, child. Found a scarf, had her sitting on for a little minute. I don't have much time to waste. Dry as fast as possible. I need that. Okay. Okay, she's giving. And this ain't even been on that long. She's giving. I'll give her that. I didn't think she'd be dry. So now I'm going to quick style. One thing about curly hair is if it's good curly hair, girl, it's very low maintenance. Like, spray it, spray and go. I know you like, what are you gonna do with that? I'm gonna show you. These are the baby hairs, child. Let's see. So you wanna do one of these numbers, comb that out like such. Always, when you're doing ponytails, child, you really need to make sure that you part those out before you slick your pony. Look at the texture on this hair. Ah, girl. Can someone please remind me to get another razor comb tomorrow? Cause, child, this ain't it. I'll do one of these numbers. It's summertime. Let the curls at. So I'm going in with my Got To Be gel for the baby hairs, just so they could lay a little bit longer. I usually don't even like doing baby hairs in the middle because I feel like it'd be like drawing attention to the front of your wig. But I guess I was feeling adventurous today because I parted that out. I really should have just kept those long and did like little curl pieces. That would have been cute. Kind of decent, kind of cute, kind of fun, kind of fresh. Ain't said that in a while. But it's full. I put some conditioner in her, so I'm feeling myself. I'm sorry. I put some conditioner in her so she don't get frizzy because I had just spread her down the first time and I was like playing in it, so I got frizzy. So I'm like, let me put something on it so she can tame down a bit. But get into the hairline, because what wig? Giving very much chilly. So if you did want to pick up this wig, everything on her is going to be in the description box down below, as always. I love you so much. Got some heat coming, some vlogs, some move out vlogs. Is that what I'm trying to say? All of that. That's just what tea is. So love ya. Bye.